birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh my God. Happy birthday, Mandy. Happy birthday to you.
Yun siya pwede mo say no.
Look at that. Look at that.
Man sa mundo, ang Pinas sa inyo'y saludo. Malawak man ang daigdig, malayo ka man kababayan, sa kalungkot ay huwag palakihan. Pilipino, saan man sa mundo, ang Pinas sa inyo'y saludo. Malawak man ang daigdig, malayo ka man kababayan, sa kalungkot ay huwag padadaig.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, guys, I just got off from my work and going po ako sa restaurant po kung saan po kami kakain para sa birthday ng aking pamangkins. Happy birthday, Nina! I love you so much. So I'm driving right now, guys. Talagang in-stretch talaga ng aking brother Louie na maging 7:30 ang dinner para makamake it po ang isang ulirang caregiver. Ang tagal ko na hindi nag-video, guys, kasi nga ang trabaho ko nagbabago pa talaga, hindi pa ako sanay talagang, kasi never talaga ako nagtrabaho, matagal na kasi akong hindi nag-come and go. So biruin nyo, guys, I have to wake up at 5:30 para mag-ready lang. Kasi 7 o'clock po ako mag-start. Malayo po ang trabaho ko sa bahay ko. Kaya I have to get there early kasi nga nag-chemo kasi yung amo ko. Pero pills po yung chemo niya. Hindi na namin kailangang magpunta sa doktor or hospital. So tablitas po ang niya, kaya she has to eat early. Ikalang ako ang magluto kasi ayaw niya yung panggabi ang magluto kasi hindi nila basta marunong, malasado kasi ang request niya, yung hindi masyadong luto. Hindi talaga makuha ng nighttime caregiver. So ako talaga, kaya pagdating ko doon ng 7 o'clock, talagang para po akong grabe talaga yung trabaho ko, guys. 7 to 7 sa gabi. Nakakapagod, pero kailangan eh. So ito talaga ang binigay ni Lord sa akin na path, na kailangan mawala talaga si Patricia sa akin para mapuntahan ko tong pamilyang ito. It's really a struggle kasi yung anak talagang feeling na talaga niya siya na talaga ang perfect. So ngayon, guys, I'm driving all the way to sa Chili's ata kami kakain. Kasi yun daw ang request ng aking pamangkins na mahilig mag-order na hindi ayaw kainin. Excited na rin akong makita sila, guys. So kasi the last time I saw them, yung kasal ng anak ko. So ngayon grabe talaga ang traffic pala dito. 7:32 na. Good luck. Good luck talaga. Magagalit at magagalit talaga yung brother ko. Kaya nga eh. Yan po ang aking tatahakin guys. Papunta sa aming kainan. Nandun na sila guys. I'm sure my brother is kinda like galit na talaga siya guys. Ayoko rin mag-reply kasi magtanong namang ilang minutes akong darating. So layo pa guys. Sobrang layo pa po. Sobrang gutom ko na. Kasi the last time I eat, kanina pang 11, 2 pirasong pandesal. At ang palaman guys ay tuna spread. Ang aking favorites. Saan talaga ako maganda guys kung anong pinakamalapit na ano. Ano ko kabalog asa ko moagi nga pinakapaspas. Wala ko kabalog guys. Hindi na talaga ako mag-reply sa aking brother Louie kasi tatanong talaga yan kung ilang minuto ako. Layo pa kayo. Sabi ko naman sa kanila, pwede naman kayong talagang kayo na lang. Kasi nga, sa schedule ko na 7 to 7, mahirap talaga. Pero sabi nila, 7:30 daw, pwede pa. So, alam ko they're hungry. Din, gutom din. Trivia lang guys, mula nung nagtrabaho ako dyan sa 7 to 7, ano na lang guys, kakain ako, nakatayo. Yeah. Kasi anytime tawagan ka ng amo. Kaya pag kumain na siya ng lunch or talagang nagmamadali din akong talagang grabe talaga ang trabaho, kaya ayoko ng come and go eh. Pero kasi nga malapit na akong mag-uwi ng Pilipinas, so nag-grab ko na lang tong opportunity na to na binigay sa akin. Maganda lang guys kasi makikita ko ang mga anak ko everyday, 2. So yun ang pinakamaganda sa Kamango. Kaya lang siguro noong panahon kayang kaya, pero ngayong matanda na po tayo, marami ng sakit. So talagang diba pag matanda na, so medyo malalapit na talaga ako mag-reply guys kasi grabe talaga yung brother ko kasi sila American time, ako Filipino time. Meron kasi akong inorient na Pinay guys kasi wala talagang magtatagal sa trabaho ko. Ako lang talagang nagtagal kasi ako nagustuhan ng amo ko at saka ang anak. Kasi nga, hardworking si Minolby. Grabe talaga, para akong robot. Pero, talagang grabe talaga ang trabaho. Kaya ayoko ng kamango eh. Pero kasi nga, malapit na akong mag-uwi ng Pilipinas. So, nag-grab ko na lang tong opportunity na to na binigay sa akin. Maganda lang guys. Kasi, makikita ko ang mga anak ko everyday. Dalawa. So, yun ang pinakamaganda sa kamango. Kaya lang, siguro noong panahon, kayang-kaya, pero ngayong matanda na po tayo, marami ng ano ba, sakit. So talagang diba, pag matanda na, so medyo malalapit na talaga ako mag-reply guys, kasi grabe talaga yung brother ko. Kasi sila American time, ako Filipino time. Meron kasi akong inorient na Pinay guys, kasi wala talagang magtatagal sa trabaho ko. Ako lang talagang nagtagal, kasi ako nagustuhan ng amo ko at saka ang anak. Kasi nga hardworking si Minolby. Grabe talaga, para akong robot. Pero guys, malapit na po tayo. Tingnan mo yung araw guys, oh. Sakit sa mata. Kami kakain guys, oh, sa Chili's. Yung may sili doon, oh. So, nandito pa po ako sa stop sign, stoplight, or whatever. Yan. Magto-turn left po tayo guys, para marating natin ang lugar where makakain tayo ng masarap. Yan guys, dyan po kami kakain guys. Yan, Chili's. So I'm sure they're waiting for me, kasi nga Amerikano po sila, American time sila. Ako hindi, Pinoy na Pinoy, always late. So at least nandito, anong magawa natin, eh ganito talaga ang buhay ni Minolby. Sabi ko nga sa kanila, oh yeah, dito tayo, hanap tayo ng closer na parking para hindi masyadong malayo yung ano natin. Yeah, ito talaga ang buhay eh. Dito talaga tayo sa Chili's, kasi masarap ang kanilang dessert, ang molten chocolate na parang volcano. So nandito na po tayo, ayan oh. Hello, I just got here, I'm sorry. Hi Mike. Uy, hi.
Say hi, I'm gonna take it.
Oy, agoy.
I'll turn that
Agoy.
off. Okay, let's turn
Happy
it off.
birthday! Hi, Kate. Wow, what's yours, Sky?
That's good, guys. I need a large next time. Good as dude.
Sorry. That's good though.
Oh, you wanna eat rice too?
I love rice. This is my favorite type of rice.
Koreanos.
Huh?
Saan mag-istorya?
Chili stragepon. Dessert. Okay.
Oh yeah, the mountain chocolate. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's
Yeah, man.
here. You like it, Kate?
Pasa.
Ibog na siya.
You got a fork for him?
Tell me when you want more. I have a talk.
I have some fries too. I can give him some fries.
Malaka is sharing, huh?
Ooh, you love those.
Diet notes? Ay, wala
Yeah, I got
na.
these too. Look. We're good. Anybody
Wala
want
na
some?
inyong diet. Wala na. Wala na
na
inyong
yung diet
losing
today.
weight.
Today's an exception. It's a birthday.
Yeah, I'm not gonna eat.
Aha.
must say I'm defeated.
Don't send Marsha. She's gonna be happy. She's already beating all of us.
I know. It's fine.
Good shit. We didn't say no.
Look at that. Look
Ty, would you like a national hat?
This is nothing. Wala mo ko'y kuan. Tinidor ko kutsara.
No. Hey, do you have extra silverware that was there?
Wala, ina no.
Kanara mong gamiton. That's it.
Oh, can I have a fork?
Oh, what are you asking for? Some rice?
Steak sauce, Kai.
Thank you. Next time we'll get the cream.
Kuan mo gana may ko.
Spicy.
How long ba?
Nashville hat.
Ipasiparit ta niyo ang sauce.
No,
Kaya kung mo na wala na lamig.
nah, it's perfect.
Very nice.
Ako nang
Nabuka ka ni mo, eh.
Ako nang ikon. Wala man na ikuan.
What do you need?
Thank you.
What'd you get, Lola?
Okay.
Salad?
No, chipotle.
Chipotle chicken. Lame? Halang food? It's spicy.
Ingon si Mina ko. Anak ko na si Mami mo. Tinggin. Ito tinggin ni Mami. Oh, tinggan ka. Alaman mo, gidala mo ni mo. Oh. Wala, pakita ka na ito si Mina.
Ayun na ako.
Sige.
Go, Nina! Oh, it's a different table, Nina. She thought it was her.
Sorry, we haven't told them yet. It's just that. You shouldn't tell them.
Okay, I'm gonna sing it for you.
How's everything tasting so far?
Yeah.
Great, man. Thank you. Enjoy.
I'm a dance later name for you. No, you go.
Yung magkano na to?
I'm on it or so.
They only do it actually the day of your birthday, but your birthday was 2 days ago, so they're not going to do it.
Nina's gonna ring her noodles.
It's 20.
Extra.
Thank you.
Need anything else? Your birthday steaks?
Okay.
It's great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your life, ka?
You want my phone?
Oh, sorry.
John,
Yeah, of course you
you
can.
should watch a show on Netflix. It's called Sweet Tooth.
Yeah, it's a good show, John.
Sweet tooth?
Sweet Tooth. Yeah, you guys will like it.
Really good.
I like it. I watch it. We all watch it.
It's okay.
It's a TV series? Series?
On Netflix, yeah.
Oh no, that's definitely for adults only.
Is there swearing?
There's
Yes.
way more than swearing.
Then you have to put
Battling.
your headphone.
Close your eyes. A lot.
Huh?
You know that you don't eat heavy food no more. It's like I don't feel like eating this.
No, I'm already getting full.
Put it in the sauce. Bro.
Because I only eat cucumber and mango.
Good job, really? I've never had those two together until you had it together. That was good.
Good, yeah.
Okay. I like a good one.
Kato pa dia, 60 day si Marcia sa kasal ni mo.
No, she's wearing a barong.
She's not wearing gown. She's like, no.
I thought she's gonna do that on your wedding.
Is she gonna wear a barong?
Yeah.
So can I get the barong there?
Yeah.
Like I don't need to order it early, right?
No.
Well, you have
As
to...
long as you go.
No, ipatay mo ha. Kita nila mapalit sa iya ha.
Maybe extra
I want
large.
him to wear barong too.
Yeah.
And him.
He can't fit in
Oh
mine.
yeah, he better wear one. He needs to wear barong.
Yeah. I want him to have one.
Extra large.
Don't
Extra
say.
large.
And then the girls, what are they? I want him to wear something
Yeah.
Filipino.
She can wear Filipiniana if she wants to, but
Filipiniano. Pero unsa may yung mga outfit?
Nude color?
Oh my God, my ring bearer.
Stop leaning.
Ang akong ring
Keep
bearer.
leaning.
Uy, balik ko na po. You're my ring bearer, okay? You're gonna hold the ring, okay? And then you walk in the aisle, okay? You like that, okay?
if you
Huh?
give me,
Hello, sa akong kanisya,
if you
Mike.
give me
He's gonna
toys,
love it. He's gonna be a good boy. Mwah.
You're gonna give me the ring. You know, you're gonna hold the ring and you'll give it to me, okay? Na maulo na gini siya, Mike.
And malakay mong back up.
You have to practice walking down the aisle, okay? And then you hold the ring. Like
No,
that.
si Nina mo
I'll
yung tabang.
be kind of down there so he can see me and then he'll come.
Oh, okay.
Like down.
Right, like down in the aisle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if he sees me, then he'll come. He
Right.
might run. We'll tell him not to run.
Sakto lagi din wala ko kuha nga yang ko ang ngalan.
Hey, we gotta get lots of octopus dude when we're there.
Yeah.
oh
Fish.
the sea urchins. Oh my god, you should try that.
Have you tried sea urchin before?
No? I'll try it
Oh
though.
my god.
Is that good?
Yeah. Yeah.
Be careful, it's hot, okay?
Okay, that's for you four.
Sabi lang hindi siya. Sabi lang hindi siya kantahan.
Yeah, no worries.
Oh my God!
Okay,
No
we got our
diet
own, bro.
today! No diet! Are you happy?
He wants this one. He wants the specific one.
The entire thing? Oh, you can have this cake too! Oh, it's big!
More. I want that
Yeah,
one.
this one's got more. We're all sharing.
You wanna crack it?
You can share with mommy? Good. You can go ahead.
So lucky.
Mommy, I want everything you have, mommy.
Touch me forever, mom. Never let go.
Oh no. John, what are you guys doing here? You gotta eat this, bro.
Ay, kao na. Nung kay makabayag kag 50.
Bayad ka na. That's guaranteed. He can't beat me, and we're having a hard time beating Marsha. Hey, Ben. Pasa ng 1 minute para mabayad ko. Nina, pass that over.
Pila man, Mike?
No, tell no.
Hindi kao na kulong sa mislo.
This one doesn't have a cake, so it must be that one.
Okay.
Orot.
Mine was 9. Mine was uneven.
Coffee. Nina, one more bite, Nina.
Yeah, okay, I will never get that again.
To you, happy birthday to you. Oh my God! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Na guys, ang birthday dinner ng aking pamangkin na si Nina. She's 9 years old, guys. My God. Alam niyo na kung nasa isip ko. I'm getting old, but forever be grateful na healthy kaming pamilya. Happy lagi kahit may mga trials or hindi masyadong nagkaintindihan, but that's life, that's the reality. Ayoko naman makipagplastikan, so ganun talaga ang buhay. So thank you guys for watching this video. Sana ina-enjoy kayo sa simple celebration ng aking pamangkin. Nung Wednesday pa yung birthday niya. Since na pareho kami lahat busy. So, nagparty po siya nung Wednesday with her friends lang talaga. Yung mga American party na pizza lang. So, my brother, never na siya nag-mention sa amin kasi mga kaibigan lang, mga classmate ng pamangkin ko ang nandun. So, itong dinner na to is really for our family. So, hinapan talaga ng paraan, guys. So, salamat sa mga support sa Muchaanon Vloggers. Salamat sa inyo. Salamat sa Gift Squad, sa Planet Sword, sa Sword Team USA. Salamat sa inyo, sa kay Aljen, kay Nisma. Salamat sa inyong dalawa for always there for me. Thank you so much sa mga subscribers ko po na walang sawang nanonood po ng aking mga videos. Maraming salamat po. God bless everybody. See you next time. Bye.